guys, it's Michelle here at My Everyday Wife Life, and it's Anti-Procrastination Wednesday. Are you ready? Go print out your printables so you can get some anti-procrastination, or rather procrastination tasks done, because it's Anti-Procrastination Day. Okay, I am on my way to the chiropractor in my everyday wife fashion. Have I said in the past, my everyday wife life fashion, I procrastinated getting ready. So I'm late. I have 3 minutes to get to the chiropractor. Yes, and so this Wednesday, Karen from This Maine Our Mom.
Guys, when you're done watching my video, go on over to Karen's channel and watch her video too, and show her some love and subscribe to her channel.
Joining me, we are doing 10 tasks that we are going to do throughout the week, and then post it while you're seeing it today. And then it was supposed to be 10 days. I think I have 7 days left, so I need to do 3 tasks today. One is to take Goodwill, but because I procrastinated getting ready, I didn't have time to put the other stuff from Goodwill in the car. Do I want to go all the way back to the house? And then that probably won't happen. So I'm just going to drop off what's in the truck, which you've seen in there for a while because incidents happened. The last time I was going to drop it off, I was taking the car to get fixed. The truck is all fixed now. It's repaired. And I procrastinated leaving the house, and I did not have enough time to, I need to work on that, getting ready. I did not have enough time to drop off the Goodwill stuff, and then when I pick up the truck, here's my problem with procrastination. I don't remember. So, I know with all the lists you think I remember, but it does not help when you're like in the middle of doing something. So the point is, when I picked up the truck and on my way home, I got sidetracked and I took a little drive by where my parents used to live. Anyway, I just wanted to see the house. I don't know, something to do. So, and I got caught up in that, and when I got home, I'm like, dang it! I forgot to take the stuff off to Goodwill. Anyway, I'm home. I was not going to go back and go to Goodwill. So I'm doing it today, and I need to think of 2 other things that I need to do that are on my list. And so by the time the end of this video, I will have 10 things checked off my list. So go print out your free printable for your procrastination list, and come along with me and get some things done. Or at least write your list while you're watching this video so you can get some things checked off your list. I want to get 10 things done. With the Anti-Procrastination Day, I was only getting a few things done. So I need enough talking, and I just want to show you what I'm getting done over this next week. Alright, cooling off. Turning that AC on full blast. Alright, turn that down so I can talk to you. So one of the things I need to do is get a haircut. I've been procrastinating about that. I actually made an appointment, and then I forgot. I love the chiropractor because they send you a text the day before. I don't know, that's working. So I need to remake an appointment and do that. And see, this is where procrastination bites me in the butt. I am around the corner from my sister. She's probably working today anyway, but I could have dropped those clothes off to her that I'm going to give her because she's going to sew them and take them in so it'll fit her. And they were hanging on the chair, and yeah, see? I didn't have enough time to think about that. I really should probably try to do when I'm running errands, I should do like a timeline to make sure I have enough time to do the things I need to do. All right, gonna take that stuff to the Goodwill. Okay, poor lady. She was needing some help. She just kept knocking on the door. I guess I haven't been since COVID, so they do things differently. They don't come out and help you. They have all the bins outside, and they just want you to drop them off. But she wanted a receipt, and she went inside, and they told her to come back to the back, but they weren't answering the door. Like, we're not opening the door, go mask. But I don't know, whatever. And she's like, I want a receipt. And She wanted a receipt. Oh, I'm going out the wrong way. Okay, so she wanted a receipt, and he literally barely opened the door to shove the receipt in between the crack of the door. He's like, Mom, 6 feet, 6 feet. She had her mask on, but I don't know. It's getting a little ridiculous. Don't you guys think? Whatever. And then, she gives a receipt. He's like, what? She didn't understand what it was because it's not an actual receipt. You have to go online and, I don't know, fill something else out. Whatever. She told me, she goes, I used to drop things off and they used to give you money for it. I'm like, yeah, I don't think they do that here. They just give you receipts. She goes, oh, yeah, that's what I meant. Bless their heart, right? What are you gonna do? Okay, guys, let me know this. I need an app that voice tells me you have an appointment at 10 o'clock, and then it tells me like at 8 o'clock that I have an appointment at 10 or something like that, or texts me or something. Yeah, I don't know, like, yes, I can put it in my phone, but Siri doesn't. I don't know, the notes in Siri doesn't work really. I don't know. Maybe I just don't know how to work it right. Anyway, in the comments below, let me know if there's something you use and I don't have Alexa, or refuse to get that. Yeah, I need some better system. Like I said, the doctor texts me the day before, and that seems to help. So okay, here I am just going over my checklist, and the printable will be linked down below if you want to print it out and make your checklist. So I divided it up into sections here. Some is, and I redo my list all the time. So I printed out another one because this one was getting too messy over the last couple of weeks. And I divided it up into sections with errands to run, calls to do, and things like that. So here I am just checking off some of the things that I need to do. 2 on my list was to delete all my emails. Oh, I've been procrastinating that for a really long time, and it was really a pain in the butt. I had so many emails. It was like 3,000 emails that I needed to delete. So I got all that done. Yep. Okay, number 3 is to adjust my supplement subscription. I subscribe to something called Pro Tandem that I get from Life Advantage, which I get it from my cousin who does sells this. But it is supposed to help you with brain function. She has Lyme disease and it has really helped her, so I started taking it, but I was not taking it for a couple of months, so I need to pause it and adjust it. I'm only going to take 1 instead of the 2, so I did that and saved a little money there. If you want to know more about what this is and why I'm taking it, let me know in the comments below. I can talk about it in another video. I might do a supplement video, as some of you have been asking about what supplements I take. Okay, number 4 would be to declutter my master bedroom closet. If you have not seen that video, I will put a link down below. So I decluttered my master bedroom closet. I usually do it in the spring and in the fall-ish, but I didn't do that because of COVID, so I was procrastinating doing that, and I got that done and knocked out, and actually wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. So check the link down below for that video. Okay, number 5 that I checked off my list was decluttering my guest room. I will put a link down below if you want to see that video in case you missed it. I've been procrastinating doing that for about a year, and I transferred it into a space where I can do some stretching, so check that video out. And number 6 was to take more donations to the Goodwill. These are some things that were decluttered from my craft room. And number 7 is to take the recyclables and the egg cartons and things to Publix
to be recycled. I'm always procrastinating doing that. So I got that done. And number 8 is to get salt from Ace Hardware. I'm always procrastinating that, and then we run low, and then it becomes a problem. And so I finally got that done, and here I am dropping off my donations for Goodwill. I'm back from the grocery store, and I'm putting the bins back to put more of the plastic bags and egg cartons in there so I can recycle them next time. Okay, and number 9 was to hang this Bless My Home sign, which has been sitting there forever because we redid the family room in March, which isn't completed. There's more videos coming up, so hubby actually hung this up for me. It was a little difficult, so he hung that up for me. And also, number 10 was to take those clothes to my sister's house. I'm not showing her here in this video, but I did take those clothes to my sister's house, and she ended up keeping 4 of those, so that was really nice. And then the rest I'm going to take to Goodwill. Okay, and then these are the rest of the clothes that I need to take to Goodwill. Why didn't I do it after I dropped the other ones off at my sister? I do not know. I must have forgot. All right, guys, check out Karen's video, and until next time, enjoy your day.